I'm going to go ahead and flip this on. This is Harry's homemade lathe. I just wanted to show people how absolutely nice that is. And the fact that it works like a champ. There's a release here that allows you to change the belts for different speeds. And a series of different pieces of equipment that could be used with it to do different operations. And then down here, all of the bits for doing any kind of lathe job you'd want to do. There's also over on this side a woodworker's lathe, which also works. Tailstock and a rest, a couple of interesting attachments that we don't know what they do exactly. Brilliantly made out of junk.
Handmade pulleys that are all in balance too.
All in balance.